Hi friends, I'm going to show you how you're going to access the lesson slides in the TCI book. So when it tells you that you need an interview to listen to or something like that in your digital notebook after you do the reading, you have to go somewhere else to find that interview, and it's in the lesson slides. So I'm just going to show you how to find that if you're working and you're not quite sure how to find the interviews. So remember, I have the teacher version, so mine's going to look a little bit different. Mine says lesson guides, but yours is actually going to say lesson slides over here on the left-hand side. So if it tells you that you need an interview, you'll see that over there in the lesson slides. So this is the slideshow that goes with our lesson, and there's going to be a slideshow for every lesson that we do. And sometimes we're going to use it and follow it, and sometimes we're not. But when you need to access an interview to listen to, you're going to find it in this slide deck. So as you scroll through, there's a lot of stuff, like I said, that you're just going to skip over, and now you're just looking for those interviews. So for example, when you see it says, click on the lesson slides button on the left-hand side of your screen, go through the slides to find the interview and click play. You will need slide 21. So I will always try to tell you which slide you need in the deck. So if we go through, you can see the numbers down here. For that section, you're going to need this interview. So you can go right to slide 21, listen to the interview, then you can go back to your notebook over here in the text where you see the activity at the bottom, and answer the questions that have to do with the interview. If you want to re-log in and open two tabs so you don't have to close out of one and you can just easily navigate back and forth, that's fine too. But Schoology will typically tell you which slide you need if you need a slide to find an interview of sorts, okay? So that will be in the lesson slides. Remember, mine says something different on your screen. So you'll use the text, and then you'll also use lesson slides when you see it say in the directions that you need an interview to listen to, okay? And then section 4, same thing, but it tells you which two slides you need in that slideshow, number 23 and 27, okay? If you have questions, send me an email and I'll get back to you.